Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on YFII token. A few hours back, I shared a video with you when I was telling you that within next few hours or moments, YFII can break another triangle. And you can see we have broken this triangle, but unfortunately it has broken a triangle to the downside. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last trade signal of YFII token with you that I shared with my members on 26th of August. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that YFII formed on the daily time frame chart. And you can see it was moving at $955. And after playing this chart, we can see that it rallied up to $4,293. That was more than 400% pump, by the way. And if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here we had a very long-term downtrend line resistance and support as well. And previously here we broke it down and formed a double bottom here, re-entered the same channel, then we broke it out and got rejected by this resistance of $2,370. And previously this level had been working as a resistance here, and as a resistance here, support here, resistance, and therefore again it worked as a resistance and we got rejected. Now recently you can see again when we had this pump up to $4,500, very close to $4,500, we got rejected by this resistance, move down. But if we take a look at the closing price of this candlestick, that was at you can by the way watch the closing value here, that was at $2,372, slightly above than this resistance. And on the very next candlestick you can see we moved below than this resistance. So in fact we are rejected by this resistance of $2,372, and we got rejected recently here in the month of July and even in the month of June as well. So this is a very strong resistance, and recently we are stuck at this resistance of $1,800. You can see in the previous week we could not break it out, and in the current week we are not able to break out this resistance of $1,800. Let me to show you on the daily time frame chart. Then you can see we have one and this is the second rejection that we had yesterday. Now we need to break it out, and our next strong resistance will be here at $2,370. However, you can see now we are above the EM at 21. This red line is the exponential moving average 21 that is holding the price line. That can be a very nice support for the price line. And at the same time, you can see we also broke out the inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And this was the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, and we have also again broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this neckline can again work as a nice support for the price line. And we also have this support of $1,150 as well. And unless the price line will not break down this right shoulder that we have here at $850, this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern is not invalidated. And let me just show you the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern once again. By the way, the target for this down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $7,500, and the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern is here, that is almost $10,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.